hello, happy Friday, and welcome to
Daytime Live.
Remember, you can watch us on onespotmedia.com, or if you want to catch up on Nisha and talking about her Man Crush Monday every Monday.
Every Monday, baby.
Jesus,
yes.
annoying. You can go to televisionjamaica.com, hashtag TVJDTL, and remember to follow us on Instagram and Twitter at TVJ_.
Daytime Live.
All right, so buzzing like a bee.
Not
Jay-Z
buzzing.
was on the rock. You know,
Who
that's
was
like
on the rock, sorry?
Jay-Z.
J to the Z.
I'm so happy this is not a Monday for her to like go on for the entire 7 minutes
Well,
of the
I
segment.
must say, as much as I love the whole Man Crush Monday thing, and I respect Jay-Z,
He's not your crush?
very much no.
I guess you're not after the money. But anyway, so Jay-Z was on the rock, and that's, you know, we've been highlighting or, you know, the whole, or the celebrities that have been visiting Jamaica, you know, over the past few weeks.
We've had a
talking
lot
about
lately,
it.
yeah.
And he was here visiting the Tough Gang studio. He was with Damian Junior Gang Marley. I hear that they were doing working on some new music. New music. And Damian Marley confirmed that. So that's a good look. I mean, Jay-Z is like a super powerhouse within the entertainment industry.
Yes,
and to have him here, that speaks volume as to Jamaica.
But we keep talking about
We keep on saying
we keep saying how viable Jamaica is.
Yes.
You know, so yeah, we're doing a good job.
And I mean, he met up with some local artists as well. I don't know if he decided to meet up with them or they found them, you know. But see,
well, if I hear that Jay-Z's here, I'm going to go find him. I'm like, where are you?
I saw a photo with Vanessa Bling. I saw Taurus Riley. I saw, what's her name? I don't remember her name, but everybody was basically, you know, welcomed him with open arms. And the good thing about it is that when some of these celebrities travel to different places, it's important for them to embrace the people. So I saw a video of him, you know, signing autograph and waving to people because it was like, oh, Jay-Z's here.
And let's not forget, because we're in Ireland, and he was here eating fish.
Yes.
And lobster, because he is Jay-Z.
And drinking a Guinness.
And a Guinness, yeah. So he very much was involved in the culture. I love that about
Hopefully
him.
it was a hot Guinness, because I hear people go, you know, people go bar and order. Give me a hot Guinness or something.
Why a hot Guinness? No,
it's
thank you. Cold Guinness, please. Just saying. Let it come with Alaska milk as well. Yes. Anyway, go ahead. Yeah.
That was a good look. Buzzing as well, the Honorable Portia Simpson Miller and Dr. Omar Davies are saying a farewell to Parliament for good.
Joe was very sad about that.
Yeah, because you know, I love the politics.
Deeply upset.
But I just feel it's, I don't know if this is going to be a new trend, you know, because they really are up in age. And they've done, Porsche have given over 40 years of service to Jamaica.
But why are we thinking that it's going to be a new trend when it's happened one time?
Well, I don't know if
because normally they don't do that, right? So it's not a trend. Let's let it happen a few more times, and then we go, oh, is it a trend? It happened one time.
Like see if somebody is going to
say, let's see if other people are following.
Let me sign off.
They're not walking off.
But thank you so much for contributing so much to Jamaica. When you know, both of them served as ministers within their field, and you know, they've contributed so much to politics. So, you know, kudos and job well done. I think it's important. It's really good when you have these persons.
And I'm wearing orange.
You're wearing orange.
What's
so
going on?
But you know, I think it's important that we mention that.
Yeah.
Buzzing as well. Caribbean Fashion Week. No.
Did you wear that jacket when you went?
No.
You sure? Because it's all very fashionable.
I went last year, you know, and the funny thing about it is that this year I think they really.
It was better this year.
I heard it was better this year.
They had people there this year.
They had people there this year. And some of the lines, Londia, what is that Londia? I shouldn't. Okay, I'm not going to say anything. But I heard that you had some very interesting lines from Mailing. Is it May or My? May. Mailing Designs, Biggie. Mailing. All right, thank you so much, Odessa. Mailing, Biggie, Jenny Williams, who has proven to be a super successful model. She debuted her swimwear and urban line, so that was a good look as well to know that, you know, she once walked the catwalk up there, and now she is
on the other side of it, so which
on
is
the
great.
other side. So that's
I have a
awesome.
question. How was Alkaline?
The Alkaline's line?
Alkaline line. How was the Alkaline's line?
Everybody have to get a piece of the cake. So if you feel like you can go into the fashion industry, might as well. Even though it was like a little sweater looking something, but people will still buy it because it's Alkaline. What's his phrase again? I don't remember.
Did you think it was good though? See, I know what you're gonna say now because I heard you earlier. I want you to say what you said Say what you said.
You can't say what we say to the people.
You're not gonna say it?
What did I say? I didn't say nothing. I said, man, you know, business is business. If you can't catch a little sale right there, say go and do it. But we had Fuse ODG, who is an Afrobeats artist here as well. He had a line. And he had in the music industry, he has worked with Nyla, Wyclef Jean, and all of them. He had something to say.
He's an Afrobeat artist,
yeah, man. He had something to say at Caribbean Fashion Week. So let's take a quick look at that.
Ooh, I can't wait to see what he said. Seem there?
I just want to say, big up J-Time Live on TVJ, representing worldwide for the people.
All right, so we get a nice big up.
We
Big up yourself,
did. For all of
Nisha.
you guys saying, because I saw my floor manager was like, J-Time, he said daytime live. He's from London, and you know the diction ain't all it should be. You know what I'm saying? So,
But he actually sounded like he was trying to get like a Jamaican accent on
he's like
there, but it was
daytime
kind
live.
of,
Yeah,
you know,
he failed.
it was
but that's
okay.
Thank you so much. That's really nice of you.
Trending as well. This one I have to talk about it because I don't understand some of these institutions. Scheming schools, a big story the other day. Some schools are extorting the children by collecting money from them to make up for school welfare program or some private class. Now, I don't understand what's taking place there, but the students are fined. I think it was at the St. Anthony Technical High School. The students are fined a $50 late fee for arriving at school after 8:10 a.m. Now me will wake 9 o'clock. Forgot school 11 o'clock. Okay, I'm kidding.
Stop it.
But first of all, no, it's a serious matter
I
because
was about to say.
there's absolutely no way. First of all, collecting auxiliary fee from schools is banned. You know, that's banned by the ministry.
Yeah.
So ministry really is really not
Yeah.
happy about this because this is not something that should be ever taking place. And you have these kids who, if they don't pay, they send them home. And it's
Yeah.
people like the Dean of Discipline, security guard, that collect money from the picnic them, and I just don't understand.
But I think we have to tell both sides of the story, Joel. So first of all, the school starts at 7:25, right? They're given a 40 minutes grace period to be on time. Now, we all know that we're known around the world for Black Man's Time. Who know Black Man Time, right? As in, we're
Lisa.
always late. So pause a second. They are saying that they're trying to clamp down on students and staff. It's not just the students as well. The staff are also being penalized.
But the staff are being penalized
for being
after.
late after. No, I'm not in support of saying you can't be sending my child home if she come late for whatever reason. You know what I'm saying? Call me as her mom and I'll get involved. So that's not going to happen.
That is
However,
crazy.
I applaud the fact that they're trying to curve this whole late thing
There's a
that we
difference here.
have.
What's about- what's
However,
detention? Give them a detention. Line
that's the
them up.
option too.
No,
Pause a
yes,
second.
they
The
can't
full
charge
story
kids.
is if they don't pay, if they can't afford to pay, they have to therefore go to detention. That's the alternative.
Well, that's the only alternative that should be there. And I just think there should be some thorough investigation into this because this is crazy. This is, I don't know.
Who have $50, right?
And there was,
Right.
I think I read a part that said, you know, the dean of discipline was saying to this guy, you know, you need to pay your money. And he was saying, man, I money, me live far.
Yeah, I can't go home because he
can't
said
do
go home.
But
He said I
that's
can't go home.
crazy. There's so much more buzzing, but you know what? We can capture those for now. Remember, you can watch us on onespotmedia.com live. Catch up with the program at televisionjamaica.com and hashtag TVJDT. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Daytime Live will be
Right back.